Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can connect smartwatch with smartphone. And the watch which I'm currently showing you is boAt Stormcall 2 with the calling function smartwatch. See here, last month I did the unboxing of this very same smartwatch, and you need to click on the about section so that it will show you a QR code or the scanning code which leads to the app on the Play Store, or you can just directly open Google Play Store and search like boAt Crest. What I did is I just opened Google Lens and scanned that QR code to lead to the exact app. You can click on the about watch in the settings, and then it will show you this QR code. When you can scan the QR code, this is what the app it will show, boAt Crest. Just click on install. This is being installed, okay, and this watch has calling feature. The main highlight of this, see here, it is being installed. I'll just tap it down to open the boAt Crest app. So I need to click on continue here. The first step, create your own watch faces. You can create on your own watch faces, and you need to provide the phone number and the email ID. If you're okay, yes, you need to agree to the terms and conditions if you're okay with that, and then sign in with your email ID. Means this will create one account on the boAt Crest app for you. Okay, then you can use that app for your monitoring purpose. Means that SpO2, how many steps you have walked, all these things. As this is a smartwatch which connects with Bluetooth, okay, grant permissions. It is asking to turn on Bluetooth, notification permission, and location access. So if you're okay with that, you can just click on grant permissions at the bottom and turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile. As because via Bluetooth this phone and the smartwatch get connected. So location service also it is asking. So what I said is, while using the app you can use it. Okay, notifications also I just allowed for a moment. And there are different devices. I need to choose boAt Stormcall 2. So where is this? I'll be checking in the menu options, top menu, Storm. Okay, under Stormcall 2, call 3 place, Stormcall 3, Stormcall 2. Yeah. Okay, I need to select boAt Stormcall 2. Tap on this. Once you tap on this, you need to click on continue at the bottom. Okay, yeah, scan, and there is one option at the top like pair with Bluetooth. Tap on the pair with Bluetooth. Yeah, choose a device to be managed by boAt Crest. So this will detect your smartwatch. See here, Stormcall 2, this is my smartwatch. Okay, tap on that so that it will get paired. Okay, just beside my mobile there is my smartwatch. See here, yeah, it is paired. There is indication on the smartwatch also. There is a pop-up on the mobile also. Click on pair. Yes, that's it. And now pairing is connected. Allow access to contact and call log. If I give the access, now I can see my contact list on the smartphone. So I can call someone in my contact list directly using what is this, smartwatch, without even touching the mobile also. Okay, anyway, I'll show you that one also, how you can call using this smartwatch. It is asking where did I buy. I did buy it through Flipkart. Continue to home page, and see here there are various options here. Okay, like wellness, my watch, okay, settings and everything. Now you can monitor here your walking steps in a day, your activity, your vitals, heart rate, SpO2, energy meter for the day, for the week, for the month. Everything will be available through this. This is how you can connect your smart watch to the smartphone. If you want how to call, I'll do a separate tutorial on that, how you can do the calling function with this boAt smartwatch. If you want that tutorial, please do ask in the comment. And anyway, if I upload that video, I'll be dropping that link in the description. Okay, please do find in the description or on the pinned comment. Okay, this is how you can just connect, and it will also find my watch. If you tap on this button here, the phone will get just vibrate here. This is one of the very good use. Please do comment your opinion on this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.